Hello, learners. Another fresh session from the book Looking Around. Textbook for Standard 3rd EVS. Lesson number 6 Foods We Eat. So, let's begin with the chapter now. So, students, in this chapter, we will learn about what is food, importance of food, sources of food. We will identify and discover the fact that food is eaten as per the easy availability, likes and dislikes of family members, need of food as per the age, health and illness, customs, traditions and festivals followed in different families. So children, now you will ask me, what is food? Well, food is a substance that we eat. So let us first know, why do we need food? Students, we eat food to grow, to be strong and healthy, and to get lots of energy to do different activities in different stages of our life. Fruits, grains, vegetables, pulses and dairy products make a healthy plate. And so, it is very much important and necessary to include it in our daily diet. Students, let us see the different sources of food. Some food comes from the plants, and that's why they are considered as the plant sources. And others come from animals. That is why they are considered as the animal sources. Therefore, the sources of food is divided into two groups. That is, plant sources and animal sources. Vegetables, fruits and cereals are the plant products, as we get them from the plants. Fish, egg and meat are considered as animal products, as we get them from the animals. Children, now move on to our lesson. Have a look on page number 38 in your EVS textbook. So here we have got a group of children are discussing about the food they have eaten. So let us see the children and find out what did they eat. So here is a table showing the food they have taken. As you all can see that they have taken chapati and jaggery, dal and rice. Next, dal and chapati, chilla, idli and dabeli. But one child in the group had no food to eat. So, what do we see? Did all these children have same food? No, not at all. So after observing the picture, we identify the fact that the families around us and our friends and classmates do not take the same food, right? So here on page number 39, we have a plate. So children, here the question says, what did you eat yesterday? Write it on the plate shown below. So here, as you can see, the plate. Yesterday, I had taken rice, dal, veg curry, salad, curd and papad. Now, children, please fill up the plate as per the food you had taken. Now, think and tell. So here are some questions. Now, let us see what can be the possible correct answers. Let's have a look on the first question. So here the question says, how do you know that you are hungry? Well, when we are hungry, we get a feeling that the stomach is empty and we feel like eating something immediately. Right, children? Have a look on the next question. So here it says, has it ever happened to you that on some day you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, why? Well, once I was very hungry and there was nothing to eat because my mother had gone out for some important work. Now, move on to the next question. You must have noticed that in the picture there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? Well, there could be many reasons, like the child's family is too poor to afford two square meals in a day, or the child's mother could be sick and so could not cook meal. Let us see what the next question says. Did all the children in the class eat the same food items yesterday? Why? No, because different children came from different families. They could be even from different regions of India. So definitely all the children in the class did not eat the same food items yesterday. Now here the question says, what would you do if you had nothing to eat and you were hungry? Well, I will manage to cook something for me. So students, here I have given you the home assignment. Now you have to write these answers in your EVS notebook. Now I will stop my today's teaching session over here. I will continue the rest of the chapter in the next sessions. Children, now go through the session, revise it and also finish your home assignment. Thank you.